Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best Trx mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your mobile number here, enter your login password, enter your security pass. This is the invitation code and you have to fill your captcha code, and after filling all the data click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into website you will see this type of interface. This is the best thing about that. So after scrolling down here you will see all the details, company, legal, wallpaper and all about this. And after that here you will see 5000 Trx welcome bonus. So this is the best part of that. Here you will see deposit, withdrawal, share, team app and logout section. After scroll down here you see wallet and promotion account, and this is the drawing to a Tron million. This is the platform, data, display and membership. And we are about best cloud mining, offered a potential cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, Trx and other cryptocurrencies. And this is the company's global partner WazirX, CoinDCX, OK, Bitmain, Binance, Hubu. So I click on trading section. Here you will see 7% cloud mining trading. So this is the best part of that. This is the investment list cycle. Here you will see cycle 1 day, 5 day, 12 day, 8 day, 17, 22, 27 days. So I click on this and here you will see starting amount 200 max, 200 cycle 1 day, daily interest 10% and all about this. I click on participate event. After adding, here is the refer and earn system you will get. This is the refer and earn system. You can refer and earn, invite your contact. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will earn some reward. So this is the best part of that. So start referring today and earning today. So copy this link. This is the mine section you will see. Here you will see deposit and withdrawal. So this is the best part of that. Here you will see team, profit lead, transfer to basic chain, password, share in notification app and logout section. I click on this. Here you will see how many people are registered with the link. So this is the best part of that. Here you will see profit list section, 5000 Trx welcome bonus. So this is the best part of that. Here you will see transfer to basic account. You can transfer basic account into promotion account. You can also download company's app to get better interface. Now I will tell you how to deposit. I click on deposit. Here you will see two accounts. So I will click on this. So after copy this address, I go to wallet. After clicking on, I click on send. Here I fill the Tron. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. I click on continue. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So wait for confirmation. I click on this. Here you will see the best transaction is completed. So this is the best part of that. So I click on Tron. Here you will send. Here you will leave status pending 18 Trx. Within 5 to 10 seconds my balance will be updated. So wait, transaction is completed. Now go back to website back. After clicking on this, I click on recharge completed. So I click on this recharge completed. So wait. After that, here you will see my balance is updated. I will show you the proof. Here the proof 18 Trx. So after that I click on withdrawal. Here I enter the quota 0.54 and here I fill the address and here I enter the password and I click on this. I click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, it takes only submit success. So my withdrawal is successful. I will show you the proof. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.